Hi everyone, I'm Sakura from Japan. Today I will make a very popular curry in Japan. Curry is one of the favorite foods for children in Japan. Of course, adults also love curry. Please take this opportunity to try Japanese curry. Today I will make Japanese curry using this commercially available curry sauce mix. It's very easy to make and I'll make it as exactly it's written on the back. Today I will use this Vermont curry from House Food Corporation. Any curry sauce mix is fine, so you can buy it at the Japanese food corner of the nearby supermarket. This one box can make 12 dishes. That's too much for my family. So, this time I will use half size. The amount of vegetables are stated on this box, but you can add as many as you like. I will add many vegetables today. Let's make it now. For meat, today I use chicken breast. You can also use chicken thighs. Of course, pork and beef are also good. Please use your favorite meat. Today I use this amount of meat and vegetables. Chicken breast, 2 potatoes, 2 carrots and 2 onions. First, let's cut the ingredients. Peel the carrots.
何してんの？何してんの？
人参剥いてるの。Cut it into a size that is easy to eat like this. After cutting, put the vegetables in the bowl. Next, let's peel potatoes. Cut the potatoes. Cut it into a size that is easy to eat like this. After cutting, put the vegetables in the bowl. Next, peel the onions. Cut it into a size that is easy to eat like this. After cutting, put the vegetables in the bowl. It's a little off topic, but when the onions hurt your eyes, you are better to turn on the ventilation fan. Next, cut the meat. In my case, I remove the skin from the chicken breast. Cut it into a size that is easy to eat like this. Preparation is completed. Let's check how to make it. Heat the vegetable oil in a thick pan and fry the ingredients cut into bite-sized pieces. In short, let's fry. First, fry the meat in oil. When the surface of the meat becomes white like this, add vegetables. When the onions fall apart and become soft like this, move on to the next step. Next, add water and simmer. The amount of water varies depending on the curry sauce mix, so please add the amount indicated on the box. When it boils, skim the foam from the surface. Cover and simmer over low or medium heat for about 15 minutes until the ingredients are soft. Next, turn off the heat, break the curry sauce mix and melt it. The trick is to break the curry sauce mix and put it in pieces. It is easier to melt. Mostly, curry sauce mix has melted. When mixing, the potatoes tend to crumble, so be careful when mixing. Next, simmer the curry for about 10 minutes with occasional stirring. Stir occasionally, like this, so as not to burn. Ready to serve. By the way, I'm also making boiled eggs together. I recommend to add them together. Because I make curry a lot, it will last several days. That's why it's often made in Japanese homes. Recently, Japanese curry has become available overseas, such as Koko Ichibanya. Do you know? But curry is very easy to make at home. Just cut, fry, and simmer. Please try it out together. See you guys. Have a nice day.